What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Welcome back to another video. Now, a while ago, I made a video talking about this play, which is Solana VM, and how honestly this could be worth so much more than where we stand at that moment of recording. Now, at the moment of recording, it was still in pre-sale, and then even today, we're still seeing it in pre-sale. But the good thing about these stages of pre-sales is that you see an accelerated price, which we will go through exactly where that was and where it is, where it's going to launch, as well as what it does and all the different information behind it. But why is it significant right now? I think the reason why it's significant is you have to look at the details that are happening in the real world. And with Solana, this and XRP are next in line for being ETFs. However, XRP is still stuck in litigation while Solana is out here and accepted by many and has no litigation to it. So with that being said, that's where kind of all of this hype and excitement really comes from, as well as probably seeing, hype and excitement with some Solana meme coins, but utility coins should see a lot bigger of a push. So we're going to get into what Solana VM is as well, and we're also going to dive into some more detail behind the popularity. But guys, if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to, follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, first, before we get into anything, let's go ahead and break down kind of the key points, just some key things that you need to look into as we are going through this. But Solana VM is a project at a very early stage, and you know that if we have anything at an early stage, it means that you have the ability to grow. For an investor, that's all we really care about, is the ability to grow, to be a part of something that's a lot bigger, and obviously see our investments grow in the process. They're going to be listed on major exchanges. You have $2.8 million that have been raised after pre-sale right now. Exchange listings right at the token launch, right after the pre-sale. So you're going to have several top tier exchanges, which should be huge for popularity, for growth, especially in the beginning stages. As the project is a community funded, no VC is involved, so no one will sell at TGC. The community will hold most of the tokens, and high potential for the price after launch is there. Staking will be available for early investors in this quarter, and you have Q3. You have a public launch that's coming very very soon. You have the ability to add to this, right? To join the pre-sale, which you can do. I'll provide all the links down below for Solana VM if you guys want to dive into that for yourself. But again, this is a project that came across my desk a while ago, and if we even go into the video that we had, which got about 4,500 views, if you look at the detail, right? The detail, and we're going to get into the actual website so you can see the difference. But if you look at the detail, you can see that each SVM was worth about 90% of a penny, 93% of a penny at those moments. Now, we also saw that USD that was raised was 1.1, almost 1.2 million. And that was, I guess, until the next round that was there. The next round would be 97% of a penny. So I don't know exactly when this was made. Let's see, it was about a month ago, maybe a little over a month. Typically, YouTube does that where they kind of jumble everything together. If it's like a month and a half or a month and 3/4, it'll still be a month until it gets to officially the 2 months. So about a month ago that we did, talk about this and see the growth, from that. So let's go ahead and look at how that has changed from then until now. Well, if we look at Solana VM, you have about 2 days until the next round, which currently is sitting at 3.5 cents. That's massive to know that you invested at those points, and now when it launches, it's going to be significantly higher than where you invested at. Not saying that, oh, well, this gives you the reason to sell. This gives you a reason to stake and hold, because now they have the ability to gather more as time goes on. You have $3.7 million that is raised right now, which is, light years ahead of where we were about a month ago. So they're definitely taking their time, and as you see more and more hype surrounding Solana, you see more hype surrounding Solana VM. Now, let's talk about that hype a little bit. And I think when we understand the hype around Solana, there's kind of two areas, right? You have utility and you have meme coins. A lot of Solana right now is built around meme coins because you have creation of newer and newer meme coins, which creates a ton of popularity. There's a lot of volume that flows through Solana, which means that not only flowing through Solana, chain, we're also seeing just Solana in general have a larger impact. Now, with that, we have utility, right? And the utility, obviously with the speed, with the cost and all of that stuff, it's a big selling feature. But we also have more hype around ETFs than ever before. And we know that Bitcoin has been created, right? We have ETFs. We have ETFs for Ethereum that just went live. I just made a video talking about the ETFs or the potential ETFs for XRP. But VanEck just filed for the first Solana exchange traded fund in the US, which is huge, because if you have, we all knew that, this was next. We all knew that Solana and XRP are next. XRP not having full clarity behind the case with Ripple, you're not going to see that ETF until that comes to an end. But the next in line would be Solana. So we knew that this was coming. We knew that this is going to come in bunches, and then we're going to start to see multiple ETFs that are all encompassing, right? You have multiple cryptocurrencies in there. But right now it's all about these single cryptocurrencies and kind of following those and tracking those. So Solana is next in line. With that hype, you're going to see the push to Solana VM as well. Now, if you guys want to go ahead and get some updates for Solana VM, you have the breakdown here, or you have their breakdowns on Twitter. They have about 22,000 followers on Twitter, so go ahead and give them a follow, shoot them a message, see what it's all about. But let's go through a little bit of the detail, just if you haven't caught up with that one video that had 4,500 views. The first EVM compatible L2 for Solana. So you have staking. Let's go through what is Solana VM, just so you guys understand that. Solana VM is your gateway to a fully compatible Ethereum environment on the Solana blockchain. Solana VM unlocks the potential for Solidity and Viper-based dApps to harness the advantages of Solana's network. So you have Bitcoin in 2009. You have Ethereum smart contracts in 2015. Solana in 2020. Parallel processing. Let's go. Solana has captured the spotlight as a pioneering blockchain for the next generation, credited with expansive scalability and a groundbreaking performance. Profile capable of processing thousands of transactions per second at a negligible cost. At the heart of Solana's technological prowess is its execution environment. The Solana virtual machine encompasses the C-level parallelization engine. So we know that it's doing something bigger than what we see here, bringing something that bringing the first EVM to the Solana chain, which again creates something a lot bigger than just a meme play that's on the Solana chain, right? This is something way bigger. Well, if you guys want to kind of join the journey, and if you guys want a little bit more of an update, I didn't want to have to go through the kind of the same video as my other video. If you guys want more of an update or more of an understanding of it, entirely, feel free to go ahead and check out my other video, which again has about 4,500 views. I created a month ago. I just kind of want to make something a little bit different, but also give you a little bit of an update on where it is, because it is at a better stage when it comes to price for an investor. And all of you guys are investors. But I want you guys to go and research it a little bit more, not only with my video, but also just you, right? Go out here, research a little bit, see what you like about it, see what you don't like about it. If you do like it, then be a part of it. And depending on how much you like it, means that, you may be more a part of it than others. So feel free to go ahead and check that out. If you want to use my referral link, I will provide my referral link down below. So you guys can be a part of that, and I can get a kickback in a way. So it does help out the channel and helps out, my growth and all that stuff. So I would appreciate it. But yeah, go ahead and give it a look. Solana VM, something that came across my desk a while ago and honestly has been growing ever since, especially pre-sale wise. And then once it launches, you're going to see that the sky's the limit. You're going to see way higher prices, way higher levels. So let me know what you think about this. What are your opinions on it? Have you seen anything about it before even seeing this video, or even seeing the video before this? But if you could, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. Check out all the links down below for Solana VM as well as for my channel. I'm going to get out of here, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.